Hello everyone, welcome to Val's Quick Tips and Tricks. Today it's not cooking, today it's the clock. So we have a clock here which after I changed the batteries it was not working. It the motor had gone. So what I did is I bought a few motors from Amazon. You get around 4 with different hands. So I've already fixed one for one clock. This is the second one which I'm doing. So I'll show you all how it can be done. So first of all, we need to remove the motor from here, and then remove the hands, and then replace it with the new ones. Okay. So let me just unscrew the clock. So now I've opened it up, removed the screws. Yeah. So then what you need to do is remove the hands nicely, carefully. You can either use a small tweezer or a screwdriver, something which you can press and pull it out. Yeah. And this thing was already loose, so I managed to pull this out. Otherwise you'll have to use a screwdriver and turn it around, or with two scissors like this. Okay. So this is the old one which was not working. Keep it at the side. And here we have a new one. So we'll use the red hands, since there's a touch of red here. So here it is. You'll have three. One is the second hands, the minute one, and the hours, and a small washer. So what you need to do is put the motor behind. It's the right way up. Okay. Yeah. Put it behind here. Hold it for some time, and then first put the washer. Okay. So the new washer which I have doesn't have a sort of indent where you can push it in. So what I'll do is I'll use the old one where I can push it in first. So I'll push this in first and keep, and then I'll screw it through so that it becomes a bit tight. Oops. Yeah, so it's screwed in. Now what you have to do is first take the one which is a bit bigger, the hole which is a bit bigger, press it in gently so it is in line with the, it should not get bent, so just be in line, straight. Then you put in the second one which is a bit smaller. Okay. Make sure they don't touch each other or overlap. Yeah. And then finally put the top one, which is the second. Seems to be something. Okay. So make sure they don't overlap. Okay, so this is overlapping the second one, so I'll just bend it a little bit up. Okay. Yeah, now it's fine. Okay, so we are almost done. Now I'll take a battery. Yeah, and just place it behind to check and see. So we'll put the battery behind and let's see if it works. It should work now. Oh yes, it is working. Seconds, hand is moving. Wonderful. Now we can just set the timing to it's around 1, just past 1 o'clock. Yeah. Now we'll put the cover for the clock and we are done. So I'll put the glass first and then place where the screws are. Okay. Now we just need to screw it. Okay, thank you very much. Hope you found this helpful and useful. If you want to replace the motor of your clock, you can always just get the motor at a very good price online and do it yourself at home. Bye bye.